Today, we have an exciting adventure planned because we're going to draw two awesome vehicles, a super cool Jeep and a speedy sports car.
Yay!
Imagine all the adventures you could go on. So, grab your markers and paper and let's get ready to bring these amazing cars to life. Are you excited? Let's start drawing. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So, grab your markers and let's rev up our creativity. First things first, let's draw the wheels of our car. Start by drawing the front wheel. Then move on to the back wheel. Make sure they're nice and round. Now, let's sketch out the body of our car. Draw a sleek shape that connects the two wheels, giving our car its classic look. Time to add some pizzazz. Draw the windows on the sides of the car. And don't forget the door handle. Let's also add the headlights at the front and the backlight at the back to light up our car. To make our car look extra fancy, let's draw an extra wheel at the back. This will give our car some extra stability and style. Once our car is all sketched out, let's go over the lines with our marker to make them bold and sharp. This will make our car stand out on the road. Are you ready to add some color to our car? Let's bring out our color pens and start coloring. As we color, let's name each color we use. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Light blue color. Fantastic job, little drivers! You've drawn an awesome car that's ready to hit the road in style. Keep practicing your drawing skills and let your imagination steer the way. Grab your black marker and let's start our engines. Begin by drawing a big circle for the first wheel of our sports car. Then, draw another smaller circle inside the first one to complete the wheel. Repeat this process for the second wheel. Can you feel the speed already? Next, let's draw the top part of our car, giving it that sleek and aerodynamic look. Add some curves and lines to define its shape. Cool! Don't forget to draw a helmet for our driver, because safety always comes first. Wow! Let's make our sports car stand out on the track. Use your black marker to make those outlines bold and sharp. This will give our car a polished and professional look, ready to race to victory. And now, it's time to add some color to our turbocharged creation. Grab your color pens, and let's give our sports car some personality. Gray color. Gray for a sleek body. Red color. Red for a fiery spirit. Yellow color. Yellow for a burst of energy. Orange color. Orange for a vibrant touch. Blue color. Blue for a cool vibe. Red color. Red for a fiery spirit. Sky blue color. Sky blue for a touch of the sky. Yellow color. And yellow for a dash of sunshine. There you have it, a turbocharged sports car ready to hit the road. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more creative adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.